Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so today we're just gonna explore this. It's called Villa de Taipa, and I'll just zoom in on that real quick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of take a poke around a little bit, and first thing you're gonna notice is like this kind of stuff. This is grass or something growing underneath. Anyways, there's like another one right there. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Please do not step on the glass though. I think these ones used to be maybe like a police post or something like that. But anyways, this right here marks that, you see that? Okay, so we're here in Taipa Village, and actually this space right here is kind of interesting. It's going to show you there's some kind of cool benches. What's interesting about this is this used to mark the edge of the island. This used to be called, still is, it used to be Taipa Island, and that used to be Kalawan Island. And then all these casinos over here are now called Ko Tai, between Kalawan and Taipa. So they put landfilled area of that, and then they were able to throw all these casinos on this what was once ocean. And this right here would have once overlooked the water, but now it's kind of in the middle of basically it kind of feels like a gateway from the casino world to the Taipa Village area. And Taipa Village is basically where all the kind of residential and business and all the stuff that's more smaller and condensed is at. So I just going to show you some of this artwork here too. So it's all the Portuguese influence, and so that is kind of similar to what you'd see in Lisbon or Rio de Janeiro, or even Mozambique. Those are all places I've actually been, and I saw it myself, and you can also see it online. Anyways, even if you don't get a chance to go to those places. I'm just gonna walk in this little place. A lot of times I'll see people who will kick back and relax here, especially when it's a hot day. A lot of designs. We got a little bench in the middle here too. So okay. Kind of show you a little bit around the peripheral part of it. Big banyan trees. And this whole little area is just filled with banyan trees all the way down right there. Just zoom in on that. It's also kind of nice place to sit and just enjoy a nice day too, you know. Today is actually a rainy day. Okay. So another element of Macau for you right here. And right there it says in Portuguese, it would say Villa de Taipa. Taipa Village. And it's in Chinese right above it.